Hi, I'm here today with the DJI Osmo 360, DJI's new action camera, and this time it does full 360-degree footage. I've popped some sample footage up online so you can take a look at exactly what it's capable of doing. Now, the interesting thing here is that it shoots at up to 8K 30 frames per second. So really high resolution, and probably the standout feature is the fact that it's got square sensors. So each of these two lenses has a 1-inch square sensor, meaning that essentially everything captured is used for the quality of the video. And as you'll see as you watch this back or watch back the sample footage, it is quite a step up from what we've seen before, and the stitching is absolutely superb. Um, Other than that, the other good thing about this is you can also pair the DJI Mic 2s in with the system. So if you want to do really good audio recording alongside your 360-degree video, then that's perfectly possible. We've seen that with the Osmo Action 5 as well. The other thing is that if you don't want the 360 video for some reason, and you just want a standard action camera, then you can put it into action camera mode and it'll film it up to 5K essentially, which is really nice. And the quality of that is, again, absolutely superb. Again, it features rock steady and horizon steady, which you'll see again in the videos. That really does stabilize out the footage. Okay, quick tour of the camera itself. So, front, we've got the green status light just to say that it's on but not recording, and back with the other lens and the nice touchscreen LCD. But to know this, we've got the record button, that's a circle one, and we've got the flip camera button, which is the square one here. So that's the back camera, and that's the front camera. Want to start recording, just push that button, and we start recording, and there you go, nice and easy. Um, and as with all or most 360 cameras, if we touch the screen, we can rotate around to see something else. So nice and easy to use. Stop recording. Uh, Along with the camera, there's several accessories, and just here I have one of the poles. There's several to go for, and this isn't at full length. Let's just put it up to full length. And as you can see, that is quite substantial. Now, what this enables you to do is to film nice and high. So if I just switch this on, I'll embed this on in a second. Won't be the greatest footage, but give you an idea. So we're filming at 8K 30. I'll downscale this to put it into this video. And as you can see there, now I'm just filming nice and high. The other thing that you can do is quite good fun with these 360 cameras. If I just come right down here like this, and then I'll just spin the camera around, and you get this sort of around the world or around the subject video, which can look quite dramatic if you don't hit a bush in between. Okay, go vertical, drop this back down. And just quickly here, status light on the front is red, just showing you it's recording. Again, flip that round. Stops recording. Excellent. Right. As ever, we've got all the different touch screens. So if I pull that down, we've got a load of settings. Swipe up. You've got the resolutions. Oh. And if we just touch on some of the icons, we get the adjustments. Oh, yeah, we can then get into adjust a few of the settings. Okay, so there's the sort of touchscreen things, which are very nice. Now, physically on the body, we've got the record button there. Below that, there should be the USB-C for charging. Or this actually came in the combo pack with the 3 batteries and the charging case. Just here on the side, we have, oops, the battery door, flip that up. That's the battery compartment there, and you can probably just see the micro SD card just in there. It's all water sealed, so it's waterproof. Just here we have the normal magnetic release. There we go. And that's the actual size of the camera. On the bottom, you've got a 1/4 inch thread, so you can mount that on a tripod or just pop it onto the magnetic stand like so. Really nice and tight. Good. So that is essentially the Osmo 360. It's a really nice camera. The quality of the video is absolutely superb. Um, and I'll capture some more footage over the coming weeks. But if you've got any questions or comments, then please leave them in the box below. And if you want to check out the full review, you'll find that at camerajammer.com.